Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by choosing the right tool. Pick safety scissors with rounded tips and blades under 4 inches. Once done, inspect for rust, loose screws, or sticky pivot. Replace if any fault appears. Make sure to put on cut-resistant gloves and move games or food items at least 3 to 5 feet away. Place a trash bag and a stocked first aid kit nearby, and confirm the manager phone or emergency line is accessible before you cut. You position the item on a flat surface and stabilize it with your non-dominant hand, keeping fingers at least 1 inch from the blades. Once stable, make slow, controlled cuts. Close the blades fully each stroke to avoid jagged edges and reduce repeated snags. Make sure to angle the scissors so the cutting force goes through the pivot rather than twisting. This preserves blade life and prevents sudden slips. If the material binds, stop and realign rather than force the cut. You finish by wiping blades with a disinfectant and drying them thoroughly, then store the scissors per night policy, either open in a locked drawer or in a labeled tool caddy. Once done, inspect the cut area for stray pieces and dispose of trash in the designated bin. If scissors jam, stop, open slowly, and remove debris with pliers rather than yanking. This prevents injury. If blades are dull or rusted, swap to the spare set and report it with the main.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.